Murata manufactures inductors that are used in wireless communication and power supply circuits of many electronic devices that include applications such as smartphones and automobiles. For example, one smartphone can utilize up to 300 inductors. As another example, the mobility market utilizes approximately 400 to 500 inductors in each vehicle. Murata's inductors have been adopted in all types of devices that require high reliability, from automobiles to game consoles, VR headsets, PCs, routers, wireless earphones, servers, base stations, and more. Murata has an extensive lineup of products, including RF inductors and inductors for power lines. We provide optimal products to fit diverse applications. In this way, Murata's inductors are used in various devices. They support an advanced and conveniently connected society. In a world in which new electronic devices are appearing one after another, Murata's inductors will continue to contribute to the evolution of electronic devices in the future. Please feel free to contact Murata for further inductor inquiries.